Hello, and welcome to the Configuration, Compliance, and Remediation artifact. This artifact is intended to serve as a template for customers to set up scheduled configuration remediation runs. The artifact encompasses a lot of Itential apps, such as Configuration Manager and Automation Catalog. It also comes with sample configuration data in configuration trees for iOS, iOS XR, and ASA. The artifact can be scheduled to run periodically in frequencies set by the user. The remediation of devices in the configuration tree are only done if the compliance score of each device falls below the threshold compliance score set by the user. The artifact also supports zero-touch and verbose modes. The automation catalog item for this artifact consists of a form in which the user can select the tree they want to run the remediation on. They can select the threshold compliance score. They can set the mode to zero touch or verbose, and also enable or disable the configuration removal, disable configuration removal. The artifact can also be scheduled to run on a certain time and date and can be set to repeat on a certain frequency the user wants. The artifact has one parent workflow and two child workflows. The first child workflow finds the tree ID for the tree that the user had chosen. The second child workflow iterates through every device in the tree and attempts to remediate the devices. The parent workflow also has a report that is generated at the end, but the report is only shown if the user has chosen the verbose mode. The report consists of all the devices that were successfully configured and all the devices that were unsuccessfully configured, if any. The remediate workflow iterates through every device in the tree, and if the compliance score for a device falls less than the threshold value set by the user, a backup of the configuration of the device is taken and the device is attempted to be remediated. This workflow also generates reports at the end, but the reports are only shown if the user chooses the verbose mode. The GitLab page for the artifact has a README which talks about in-depth details of the artifact. The details consist of the items in automation catalog and what do they mean, what are the different modes in the automation catalog item, what the different workflows do, and how to configure them. For more in-depth details on the input and output job variables of each workflow, kindly visit the GitLab page to read the README. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly feel free to go through Itential's selection of pre-built automations on npm.js and GitLab @Itential open source.